Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts. Make sure you use the same Google account on both devices. Once done, install Google Play Games and the specific game on your iPhone and sign in. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active and background app refresh is enabled so data can sync. You do this now because a mismatched account or disabled background refresh will block Cloud Link. Confirming these prerequisites prevents unnecessary troubleshooting later. You now open Google Play Games on your iPhone and tap your profile to access settings. Next, choose the link or account option and sign into the same Google account you used on Android. This is where credentials matter. Follow the in-app prompts to import your cloud save and grant permissions for account access and storage. Take your time completing prompts. Stopping midway can leave the game in a partial linked state, so confirm each permission as requested. You finish by opening the game to confirm your cloud save and progress have appeared. If the data isn't visible, force close the app, relaunch, and check Google Play Games is signed in with the correct account. Finally, make sure any in-game account linking is completed. Troubleshooting tip: if linking fails, reboot the iPhone, confirm Google account credentials, and reinstall Google Play Games. That resolves most sync conflicts and ensures a clean, successful link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.